Now, if you go to the camp of Kennedy Agyapong, everybody talks, say, hey, Yaboka, Anas Nsika, Adain. Now, it is shocking that the U.S. court has awarded Anas $80 million. Listen, 80, not $8 million. A defamation case, a lawsuit against former Ghanaian MP Kennedy Agyapong. And this is shocking because this is the same case the Supreme Court of Ghana threw away in court. When Anas sued Kennedy Agyapong for 25 million defamation suit. Now the case was thrown away in court because, according to the court, Anas couldn't provide proof and evidence. Now, Anas sued Kennedy Agyapong because Kennedy Agyapong called him a blackmailer, a thief, a corrupt, and then extortionist. And Anas, he wasn't cool with that because he was doing, according to him, he was doing investigative journalism. Now, when the court threw away the case, he was asked to pay or compensate Kennedy Agyapong 50,000. Did he take the 50,000? This is what Kennedy Agyapong said.
I tell you today, the 50,000, I don't need it. I give it to him, but he should leave.